See, that Kabrasthan issue is pending before the High Court for quite long time now. High Court has already directed erection of that Kabrasthan. The government is also processing the file, but the problem was that the access to this particular land was blocked because there were some graveyards which were put there. So as a result of which the access was difficult. Now the chapel, who is responsible for this encroachment, has come forward and said that they will provide an alternate access. Now, in respect of this alternate access, there is a deed of exchange which is going to be executed. Now, that is what the court has now said, that as far as this issue of executing the deed of exchange is concerned, the officer of the director of municipal administration will coordinate this, and that is how they have said that somebody should be nominated by the director to coordinate this deed of exchange between the municipality and the owner of the property, that is the church, and that is the order that is made, and the matter is kept on 31st of August now for further processing and further hearing of the matter.
Sir, so that Kabrasthan is not operational right now?
Kabrasthan is supposed to be erected. No question of operational. It was supposed to be erected as per the High Court direction.
Thank you, sir.